Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and get the cool scatter makeup in Berry Avenue. So if you want to rock the ultimate scatter look in Berry Avenue, in this easy tutorial, I'll show you how you can find and get the cool scatter makeup to match your edgy street style aesthetic. So here you can just go to the avatar menu and hit on the face category, remove the one you are currently using and then you can just search for this cool skater girl makeup. Okay, hit on enter and there will be the lots of options that you can choose. You can just choose which one that match with your skin tone. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!